Hello friends! Today we decided to go down to the beach as the weather was really nice and there are always things to do and learn. This time we focus on physics and gravity and tried stone balancing. David loved this beach and all of these stones turned into blocks in front of his eyes. Later in this video, I also decided to sit and focus to play around and create my own temporary sculpture. Watch till the end to see how tricky it can get to keep that rocks in place. What you building?
A house.
Is it a house? Oh, not this! Oh, yucky! We have loads of stones here. Look at this beach, it's gorgeous. What's happened? It's just amazing. Oh, look at this one. Nice.
It's like a boat.
You want to get it? Take it. And this is what we're building. You need to find balance and try to build the old tower.
Oh yeah!
Thank you for watching. Bye.